Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Lotus and I'm back with another video for you. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. So today we're going to be attempting to make in one of those Louis Vuitton bag. Yeah, so I got this really cute Louis Vuitton fabric that I want to make into a bag, and I want to do like a back series. They're not all going to be like the Louis Vuitton style, but just like our own style. And yeah, we can be creative and just make whatever. So these videos are just for ideas. You don't have to make exact bag like me. You could just use it and do what you can do, and it's unique to you. So yeah, before we get started with this video, I'd like you to subscribe and join the Lotus family and hit your post notification bell so you won't miss another video from me, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment below and let me know if you're gonna try this bag and what bag would you like to see me make. And yeah, let's get right into it. Come on, let's. So these are all the pieces I already cut out from paper. So this is 14 inches and this is a strap for the little bag. You need 3 pieces of that. This is 2 inches and you need 6 pieces of that. And this is the pouch piece, and you need 2 pieces of that. Is 8 inches by 5 inches. And this is the bottom piece, and you need 1 piece of that. Is 12 inches by 6 inches. And this is the body of the bag, and you need 2 pieces of that, and it's 18 inches by 9 inches. And this is a strap, and you need 4 pieces of that because you're going to put them kissing. Sorry, that's a strap. So yes, I'm just gonna cut everything out. So now that's our 2 pieces. This is the bottom piece. So that's our strap, and need 4 pieces. Boom. So this is the little pouch piece. We need 2 pieces of this. Boom. And then this is our 14 inch and our 2 inch. And this is our lining fabric. We're going to do the same to it that we did to our working fabric. Now I'm just pressing everything, interfacing on everything. I'm just going to clean them up after you finish your interfacing. Just like that. Now we have everything cut out. We are just going to stitch them together. Stitch, 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 stitch. I just put 2 stitches next to it. I'm just gonna line up the bottom pieces now. This is what you should have after. Just stitch it together. when you finish sewing the bottom pieces on, just snip all your ends, so it'll be rounder when you turn it inside out. So I went ahead and do the same thing for the lining fabric, and I'm going to attach them together. Done so. This is what you should have after. Just gonna top stitch it. This is what you should have after. Sorry. That's what you should have after. You can just watch and see what I'm doing here, and then you'll understand. Just stitch all your little pieces together like this. And do this to only 2 of them. Now I have all the pieces. Just watch what I'm doing, and you'll get the gist of it. This was a pain. Now we have all these pieces ready. Let's attach them to the bag. Do the same to all the rest side. And just stitch this side down. Now for the strap. Leave an open for it to turn inside out. That's your strap. Attach it however you feel comfortable with the length and the openness of your strap. I'm going to do it a few times. So I just sew these and flip it over and cut it in half. Attaching it to these little pieces now. So this is the closure for the bag. The bag has a funny closure. This is it. Something like this. So just stitch that side down. Now for the little one, we're just gonna stitch all the pieces together for the little one. finish attaching one side, I'm gonna go back and attach the other side. Give it a top stitch first. So I finished doing that. Do the same to the other side. Leave a gap so you can turn the bag inside out. So that's it, guys. That's our little pouch. Now I'm gonna give it a top stitch all the way around and close that gap. So that's it, guys. That's our Never Full PM and its little pouch, or should I say it little baby. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and let me know which bag you'd like to see me make, or which bag you'd like to see me recreate. I'll try my best to do that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy making it for you.